Um, when it comes to yakisoba, this Japanese street food classic, I've got you covered. Um, it's it's much like those satisfying times when crack open fresh new information or a skill, and you know, men imagine stir-fried noodles, veggies, and protein in luscious savory sauce. First, let's talk about the ingredients. You'll need the essentials: soba noodles, cabbage, carrots, and onions. Some throw in sliced pork or chicken for that extra punch. Interesting fact, the Japanese eat over 40 million tons of noodles annually, and yakisoba is a staple. Preparation is key, here. Start by boiling the soba noodles according to the package instructions, which is often akin to light browsing through a thrilling book, and drain and set them aside, letting them hang out until they're letting them ready for their starring role. Next, heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. This is where the magic begins. Add your chosen meat first. Stir until brown, like highlighting a sharp sentence on your page. If you're vegetarian, skip the meat. Totally fine. Your veggies join the party next: cabbage, carrots, and onions. Toss them in, like adding spices to a narrative. Stir frying these takes about 4 to 5 minutes until they soften, releasing aromas that are simply intoxicating. Now, remember the noodles, add them in, and they're going to soak in all that flavor. Stir them carefully, ensuring everything's mixed, like understanding a plot twist that finally makes sense. A minute or two should do it. Time for the yakisoba sauce. This is where it gets exciting. Store-bought is great, but I prefer DIY here. A mix of Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, ketchup, and sugar. It's like mixing genres, like you get something unique, and pour the sauce over, stirring until everything's gloriously coated. Pro tip: taste and adjust. Too sour. Add a bit more sugar. It's like editing your thoughts until they're just right. And this step should take another 2 to 3 minutes. Yakisoba is best served fresh and hot. Once in a bowl, sprinkle with Aonori, that is seaweed powder, and a few. Consider this the happy ending. Those little details that make a story unforgettable. Pinpoint some dislike too much sauce or soggy noodles. Balance is everything. I'd say less is more here. Or if you're like me and sometimes spill coffee over papers, keep it under control and stir with purpose. Feel free to experiment and add shiitake mushrooms or bell peppers if you're feeling rebellious. Like exploring different genres, playing with ingredients transforms the dish. Every change is a new experience, keeping things fresh. And there you have your homemade yakisoba. It's much like finishing a gripping novel. You're satisfied, but also eager for the next bite. Enjoy this immersive experience. And remember, the best dish tells a story worth remembering.